How to use a Visa gift card on Uber Eats. So what we want to do is first transfer over the Visa gift card funds to our Apple Wallet. So I've just selected Wallet here, or Apple Pay, and I'm going to click on the plus sign. Once we have selected the plus sign, we will choose debit or credit card and choose your main bank, which you use for all of your banking transactions. After we have chosen the bank itself, then here we will just click on continue, and we can scan the Visa gift card with the camera, or we can enter the card details manually. Here we'll need to input the name as well as the card number. So after we have done this, then what we can do is go into Uber Eats, and here we're just gonna select account found in the bottom right corner. Now from here we need to go into wallet and add a payment method. For the payment method, we will use credit or debit card, and make sure that you use the same debit or credit card that is linked to your Apple Pay or Google Play account balance. So if you use the same one, then this should have transferred your Visa gift card funds into your debit or credit card, and then you can use the debit or credit card to make Uber Eats purchases. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.